How to unsubscribe on YouTube. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, go to the channel that you want to unsubscribe from. Say, for example, this one right here. And once you do that, you can unsubscribe right here from this page just by, as you can see at the top, the name and the icon of the channel and stuff like that. Just click on the subscribe word and it will give you the box to unsubscribe. If you clicked OK, you will unsubscribe. Another option is if you visited the channel page, you can just click on subscribed at the bottom of the channel name, and from there just click on unsubscribe to confirm and you will be unsubscribed. So that is it for this video. That's how you can unsubscribe from a YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.